Something song about a sick dog praying for his recovery.
The moonlight spills upon the floor, our shadows swirl forevermore. Your hand in mine, a fleeting sign of love that fades beyond the line. Oh, dance with me this final night, beneath the stars' eternal light. No time may pull us far apart, you'll always linger in my heart. They softly weep, a memory we'll always keep. Your laughter hums a gentle tune, a fragile echo gone too soon. The clock, it ticks the hour near. Each step we take, I fight the tear. The world dissolves, it's only you. One final spin, a love so true.
Subscribe for more content.